Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning and welcome everybody who are enjoyed our online class Burra Hazina Wali Pilot High School. We are grateful to Almighty Allah who saved us till now. I also give special thanks for the authority of Burra Hazina Wali Pilot High School. Dear student, how are you? I think you are not good condition because you do not come to school for a long time. COVID-19 coronavirus destroyed our education section, so we are ready to fill up this gap. I introduce myself. I am Muhammad Madaduddin, head teacher, Burra Hazina Wali Pilot High School, Kumilla. We know coronavirus is an infectious virus. It spread all over the world in a short time, more than 2,000 countries. In this time, during this coronavirus time, we advise you follow the rules of health and hygiene. You stay at home, stay safe, and stay connected with our online class and benefited your academic session. Let's discuss our main topics. Our today's topics is narrations, some basic rules that is very important for the, especially for the class 8, but it is useful for class 8, 9, 10. Please take your pen and notebook and write down here sentence direct narration. Ripon said to me, comma, inverted comma, I am writing now. Here, said, repeating verb, comma, inverted comma, I persons, tense, and now, nearest word. We have to change direct narration into indirect narration, and we have follow the rules of refuting verb change. Comma, inverted comma, person, tense, and nearest word. Telephone told me. Told me that he was writing them. When we change refuting verb, we change refuting verb according to the sentence of reported speech. According to the sentence of reported speech. When we change refuting verb, we depends on the sentence of reported speech. This is reported speech. Reported speech sentence. There are 5 kinds of sentence. Have reported speech. Assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative, optative, and exclamatory. When there is a sentence assertive in reported speech, we change refuting verb tell, told. If refuting verb have a object, we must change refuting verb. If it present tense, we change it tell. When it is past tense, we change it told. When there is a sentence, interrogative sentence in reported speech, we change the refuting verb asked. Asked by asked. When there is sentence, imperative sentence, ordered, command, request, advised. Optative sentence, when optative sentence in the reported speech, we change wished, prayed, etc. When there is exclamatory sentence in the reported speech, we change repeating verb exclaim with joy, exclaim with sorrow. Joy, exclaim with sorrow, or exclaim with wonder. Dear student, do you understand when we change repeating verb? We change repeating verb when it has a object. We must change it. If there is no object in a repeating verb, it is your wish to change or not. If we change repeating verb, we depends on the sentence of reported speech. If reported speech have assertive sentence, we change repeating verb tell, told, interrogative sentence asked, asked, imperative sentence ordered, command, request, advised. If there is optative sentence in reported speech, we change reporting verb as wished, prayed, etc. If there is sentence exclamatory sentence in reported speech, we change reporting verb as exclaim with joy, exclaim with sorrow, exclaim with wonders. Please note down that the rules of reporting verb change. Change of reporting verb. Rule 1. Change of reporting verb. Change of reporting verb. This rule's name change of reporting verb. Number 1. Change of reporting verb. Rule 2. Change of comma and inverted comma. Change of comma and inverted comma. When we change comma, inverted comma, we also depends on the sentence of reported speech. We depends on reported speech. If reported speech have assertive sentence, we change it that. Optative sentence, if there is sentence optative sentence in reported speech, we sit here that. Exclamatory sentence that. And interrogative sentence if or whether or WH question. WH question. And imperative sentence to, and when the sentence is negative, we use not to. Rule 2. We change reporting verb told, change report comma, inverted comma, that. And here the rules to change of comma and inverted comma. Please note down assertive sentence that, interrogative sentence if, whether or WH question, to, not to, and optative sentence that, and exclamatory sentence that. Next, rule 3. পার্সন পরিবর্তন। চেঞ্জ অফ পার্সন। We change persons in the reported speech. Where there is first person, we change it the first person subject in the subject of reporting verb. Subject of reporting verb. When there is first person in reported speech, we change it subject of reporting verb. Subject of reporting verb. This is subject and object. First person change depends on the subject of reporting verb. First person depends on the subject of reporting verb. Second person depends on the object of reporting verb. Third person no change. Third person no change. When we change person of the reported speech, first person change depends on the subject of reporting verb. Second person depends on the object of reporting verb. Third person no change. Please note down. Change of tense. Number 4. Change of tense. Number 4. Change of tense. When we change tense if reporting verb is past tense. If reporting verb is past tense, we change the tense of reported speech. We change the reported speech tense if the reporting verb is past tense. If reporting verb present tense or other, it does not need to change tense. If we change tense, we must follow present indefinite, past indefinite, present continuous, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous. If we change tense, we depends on reporting verb. If reporting verb has past tense, we must change the tense of reported speech. We change according to present indefinite tense, past indefinite tense, present continuous, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect, present perfect continuous, change into past perfect continuous, and past indefinite tense change past perfect tense, past continuous tense change into past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect and past perfect continuous, no change. Present indefinite change into past indefinite, present continuous change into past continuous, present perfect change into past perfect, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, past indefinite change into past perfect, and past continuous, past perfect continuous. 1, 2, 3, 4. Present indefinite, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous, past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect continuous. 1, 3. 2, 4. And 3, 4, no sense. 3, 4, no sense. We follow the rules of change of tense. Again, if repeating verb first tense, we change tense in the reported speech. If reported speech have present indefinite tense, it changes into past indefinite. If reported speech have present continuous, it changes into past continuous. If reported speech has present perfect, it changes into past perfect. If reported speech have present perfect continuous, change into past perfect continuous. And reported speech have past indefinite, change into past perfect. Reported speech have past continuous, change into past perfect continuous. And reported speech have past perfect and past perfect continuous, there is no change. Please note down. Our next rule, rule 5. Rule 5 had the word now. Now is a word near. It's when we change now, when the word repeating verb have past tense, we must change now into then. We change now when the repeating verb is past tense. If repeating verb is present tense, now no change. It's now. It's there now. Now, then. Today, that day. Yesterday, the previous day. Yesterday, the previous day. And you follow the chart of textbook. You follow the chart of textbook that the words 22 20 to 24 words are now, then today, that day, yesterday, the previous day, tonight, that night, and you follow the textbook chart. Rule 5. Thank you. And next rule, rule 6. When we see that reported speech have assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, and any kinds of sentence, we change it indirect speech into assertive sentence. If there is assertive, it also assertive. If there is a sentence in reported speech, interrogative, it changes into assertive. If there is a sentence in imperative, it also changes into assertive, optative, exclamatory. There are 5 kinds of sentence, but it changes into assertive in indirect speech. Now we follow some rules and some example. All kinds of sentence in reported speech, it changes into assertive in indirect narration. There are 6 basic rules of narration that are very useful for all students to change narration. If you change narration, you have to follow the topics that person, tense, and sentence. If you want to change narration, direct narration into indirect narration, you must have to know person, tense, sentence. There are 3 kinds of person and 12 kinds of tense and 5 kinds of sentence. You must know the topics person, tense, sentence in your textbook. Next class, we follow some example about narration. You change narration in according to the rules of tense. There are 6 rules. There are 6 rules, only basic rules I give you to follow some example. You practice in your home the rules of narration and you note down some example. Thank you, dear student. We stay at home, stay safe, and stay connected with our online class, Bura Hazina Bali Pilot High School. Thank you.